Good morning. We are going to be going over 4.1.6. Your job is to do 4-59, 4-60, and 4-61. So whenever we're looking at this, on your homework, have CPM 4.1.6. Have your name. Get used to writing your name on this side, just like this, harder. The date, right? Math 8, homework, period, whatever it is. Once you get that started, you're going to be fine with the teacher. Number one. Okay, so 4-59 on 4.1.6. On 4-59, they say use what you know about M and B to graph each rule without making a table. The growth triangle is the slope. They just want to use that phrase, and it's frustrating. So first off, for 4-59, just go ahead and make a graph like this. Just do one, because each one of them is going to be different. Okay, and so A is y equals 2x minus 3. Okay, I'll use two different colors. So for this one, we're going to start here. You start at the origin, right? And because it says -3, I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, dot. And then because the slope is 2 over 1, I'm going to go up to 1, 2, and over 1, dot. Up to 1, 2, over 1, dot. And that's my first line. Also, does it say it? You want to say that the M equals 2 and the B equals -3. That's what you know. Let's do C. C is a little bit more, it's actually not complicated at all. It's just not what you're used to seeing. Y equals 3x. Because it has no B, and it doesn't, it only has a slope, in this moment, our B is 0, the origin. So we start at the 0, and we go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and over 1. So you start through the origin, and our slope is 3. And then I'm going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and over 1, dot. And I'm going to label, this is A, and this is C. So that's 4-59. 4-60. It says, examine the graph below, which displays 3 tile patterns. What do you know about figure 0 of each of the tile? Okay, so figure 0 would be whatever's on the y-intercept. So for A and C, okay, hold on, let me turn the page here. I've got to keep this at less than 5 minutes. So for 4-60, A, you're going to write for A and C have their figure 0 equals 0. Figure 0 equals 0. B is going to equal figure 0 is going to equal 30. How do I know that? How do I know that? It's because if you look, all of our B's or our figure zeros are B's, and they're all on the y-intercept. So C and A don't have a figure 0, and then 30 B does. The pattern changes quickly. Which pattern changes most quickly? You'll notice by the decrease, it seems like A is only going up so far, and C is really going up, and then B is actually going down. So that, and then write the rule. This is going to be a negative slope. I'm not going to tell you. You have to figure it out by knowing slope. 4-61, is that the next one? Yeah, 4-61.